Namaste from Japlang Language Services. We welcome you all back to our video channel. Today we will be learning about chapter number 4 vocabulary, where new 60 words we will be learning today on chapter number 4, that is from Minna no Nihongo. The very first word what we will be learning is okimasu. Okimasu is to get up or wake up. Once you get up in the morning or after sleeping, you get up. That's okimasu. Okimasu. Nemasu is to sleep or to go to bed. Nemasu. Third one is hatarakimasu. Hatarakimasu is to work. Hatarakimasu. Yasumimasu. Yasumimasu. Yasumimasu is to take rest or take a holiday. Benkyou shimasu. Benkyou shimasu. Benkyou shimasu is to study. Study. Alright. Next one is owarimasu. Owarimasu. Owarimasu is to finish. Finish. Owarimasu. Depato is departmental store. Depato. We pronounce it as it's written in katakana, because it's a foreign originated word. If we write in katakana, that's depato. Depato. Department store. Depato. Next is ginkou. 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 Ginkou is bank. Ginkou, where we go and withdraw money. Bank. Ginkou. Alright. Ginkou. We move to next. Is Yubin Kyoku. We pronounce as Yubin Kyoku. Yubin Kyoku. Yubin Kyoku is post office. Yubin Kyoku. Post office. Next is Toshokan. Toshokan is library. Library. Toshokan. Toshokan. Next is Bijutsukan. Bijutsukan is art museum. Bijutsukan. Bijutsukan. Next is Denwa Bango. Denwa Bango. Telephone number. Denwa Bango. Telephone number. Denwa Bango. Nanban. What number? It can be what platform number, what is your telephone number, or on which platform the bus will come or the train will come. You can always ask Nanban. Nanban desu ka? Like that. Nanban. Nanban. Ima. Ima is now. Ima. Remember the example sentence was Ima nanji desu ka? Right? What is the time now? Right? So Ima. Ima is now. Ima. I-M-A. Ima. G. Something something. G is clock. We have 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So after the number, if you put G, it becomes that many hours. 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. Like Ichiji, Niji, Sanji. It will be 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and 3 o'clock, like that. Fun. Fun or pun. Right? We learned in our chapter, video chapter, like fun or pun is minute. If it is 10 minutes, it will be juppun. If it is 5 minutes, it will be go fun. Right? So depending on what ends, it will be 0, it will be double pun. If it is ending with 5, like 5 or 15, 25, it will be fun. Go fun, jugo fun, etc. etc. For detail, please watch our how to ask time video. Alright, we move to next. Next is Han. Anything half is Han. Han. For example, if it is 3:30, 3:30 will be Sanji Han. Sanji Han. 3 o'clock and 30 minutes. You can also say Sanji Sanjupun, that is 3 o'clock 30 minutes, but also you can cut it short and you can say Sanji Han, 3 o'clock 30 minutes. If you want to ask what is the time now, we can always say Nanji. So if you want to, what is the time now, it will be Ima Nanji Deska. Ima Nanji Deska. So Nanji is what time? What is the time now? What is the time now will be Ima Nanji Deska. Nanfun or Nanpun. It will be Nanpun will be what minute? What is the minute now? So we understood, right? So Nanji is what time? What minute will be Nanpun. Alright, Nanpun. Gojen. Alright, Gojen is AM, morning, right? Before 12 o'clock we have AM. Right? After 12, it becomes PM, right? I'm talking about the first half from 12 to 12 morning time, which Gojen. Right? Gojen is AM, and it will always comes before the number. Like if you want to say it is 7 o'clock AM or it is 7 AM now, so Gojen will come before the number. It will be Gojen Shichiji des. Gojen Shichiji des, like that. Similarly, we have PM is afternoon. PM is afternoon, right? Go. We can relate with a movie, Bollywood movie. So where Mr. Shakti Kapoor son has acted Crime Master Gogo, right? So Gogo, no, this is a scene from Gogo, Crime Master Gogo, right? So you can relate with that, Gogo. All right. Andaz Apna Apna, the movie name was. Gogo is PM or afternoon. So again, if it is 1 PM, it will be Gogo HEG this. Gogo HEG this. Asa is morning. Asa is morning. Asa is morning. Hiru is daytime or noon. Hiru is daytime or noon. Hiru is daytime or noon. Ban. Ban is night or evening. We remember a Komban, this evening, good evening, like that. Kombanwa. Yeah, so have a great evening, something like that. Good evening, late. Komban. So ban is night or evening, both. Yoru is night and evening. Yoru is night and evening. Yoru, night, evening. Ototoi, day before yesterday. Ototoi. Ototoi, day before yesterday. Ototoi, day before yesterday. Kino is yesterday. Kino is yesterday. Kino is yesterday. Kyo is today. Kyo is today. Kyo is today. Ashita is tomorrow. Ashita is tomorrow. Ashita is tomorrow. Asate, the day after tomorrow. This movie, clip has been taken from the day after tomorrow. Asate. Alright. Asate, the day after tomorrow. Kesa is this morning, right? I got up at 6 this morning. In that case, we will say Kesa. So normal, the morning is Asa, but this morning is Kesa. Alright. You can relate with Kyo no Asa, it becomes Kesa. This morning I had a cup of coffee. Konban is this evening or tonight. Konban this evening or tonight. Konban. So Konbanwa, good evening, right? Konban. So this movie, I'm going to watch a movie. So you can say Konban eiga omimasu. Sochira, your place. Sochira is your place. Like something near to me, it will be Kochira, my place, right? Kochira, this place, some where I'm standing is Kochira. Your other person is standing or direction, that will be Sochira. Yasumi again is a rest, holiday or day off. Rest, holiday, day off is Yasumi. Hiru Yasumi is lunchtime. Hiru is what? Daytime. Yasumi is break. So it's a lunch break or lunchtime, right? Hiru Yasumi. Mayasa is every morning. So Mayasa, I have coffee and then I start working like that. So Mayasa, you can use Mayasa. I go to office. So Mayasa watashi wa kaisha ni ikimasu, right? So or Mayasa, I go for jogging. Watashi wa Mayasa jogging o shimasu, like that. Maiban every night. So Maiban watashi wa shigoto o shimasu. Every night I work. Maiban watashi wa shigoto o shimasu. Every night. All right. Mainichi is every day. Every day I have my breakfast. Mainichi watashi wa asa gohan o tabemasu. Mainichi asa gohan o tabemasu. Mainichi. Tahen desu ne. That's tough, isn't it? Used when expressing sympathy. Something, didn't go well with the other person. So just in order to express your sympathy, you can say, "Taihen desu ne." Someone say exam was not good or I had an accident. So you can always say, "Taihen desu ne." It's tough, isn't it? Next is bango an ai. Bango an ai is directory assistance. When you call to some directory office or yellow pages and then you want to inquire some number, if you want to say what is the phone number of this particular person or what is the phone number of this particular office, that is called, now it's not there, but yes, it used to be there earlier days. Bango Annai directory, where we used to call and ask for the number, address, etc. Yellow pages like that. Next is Otoyawase no bango, the number being inquired about, right? Otoyawase no bango. Otoyawase no bango. Bango we learned right now what is the number, right? Otoyawase is inquiry. All right, inquiry. So the number we have inquired for is just like that. Next is something o onegaishimasu. Say for example, I request you to do something for me. Mamiju onegaishimasu. I request you to give me water. Or please, I won't request to complete this task. Something o onegaishimasu, you can say. Kashikomarimashita. Kashikomarimashita is generally used at the restaurants when the waiter takes your order and he says, "Yes, I have understood your order, I'll get it." That time you nod your head and say, "Kashikomarimashita." But generally, if you want to say, "Yes, I have understood," then we say "Wakarimashita." So "Wakarimashita" is same as "Kashikomarimashita," but difference is "Kashikomarimashita" is used at the restaurant or by some waiters. Next is Getsuyobi is Monday. Getsuyobi is Monday. Kayobi is Tuesday. Kayobi is Tuesday. Kayobi is Tuesday. Suiyobi is Wednesday. Suiyobi is Wednesday. Suiyobi is Wednesday. Mokuyobi is Thursday. Mokuyobi is Thursday. Yes, we're waiting for Friday on Thursday, right? So Mokuyobi. Kinyobi is Friday. Kinyobi is Friday. Kinyobi is Friday. Please watch the days of the week of our video. You would be able to understand better or remember the days better. Kinyobi is Friday. Doyobi is Saturday. Doyobi is Saturday. Nichiyobi is Sunday. Nichiyobi is Sunday. Nichiyobi is Sunday. Nanyobi, what day of the week? Nanyobi is what day of the week? Yobi is day, right? So nan is what? So what day of the week would be Nanyobi, right? Nanyobi. Alright. Nanyobi is what day of the week? Nanyobi. Kyo wa Nanyobi desu ka? What is the day of today? Alright. Okay. Next is Kara. Kara is from. I work from 7 to 9, something like that. So you can use after the time Kara. Or also you can say I have come from this particular place. So you can use that place and Kara kimashita. Made is till or to, right? Now I work from 9 to 5. It will be watashi wa 9時から 5時まで働きます. Right? Made is to. To is and. So for example, we have holiday on Saturday and Sunday. So Nichiyobi to Doyobi or Doyobi to Nichiyobi wa yasumi desu. Saturday and Sunday is holiday. So to is and. We're coming to the city. New York is New Yorku. New Yorku. Beijing is Peking. Alright. Peking is Beijing. Rondon. So you can see there is no L in Japanese, so they pronounce as ro. Instead of L, they pronounce R. So London becomes Rondon. Rondon. Bangkok becomes Bangkoku. Bangkoku. Alright, Bangkoku. Los Angeles becomes Rosan Jerusu. Rosan Jerusu. Rosan Jerusu. And last is Eto. Well, let me see. Eto. Eto. No, it's an expression. Eto. When you want to be connected with the other person. Listen to all the 60 vocabulary what we learned through the Japanese native sound.
第4課言葉起きます寝ます働きます休みます勉強します終わりますデパート銀行郵便局図書館美術館今時分分半何時何分午前午後朝昼晩夜おととい昨日今日明日明後日今朝今晩休み昼休み毎朝毎晩毎日月曜日火曜日水曜日木曜日金曜日土曜日日曜日何曜日番号何番からまでとそちら大変ですね。104お願いします。かしこまりました。お問い合わせの番号どうもありがとうございました。
Thank you all for watching this video. We'll be learning grammar in the next video. Meanwhile, keep learning, keep smiling, and have a great day ahead. Thank you all.